Sayang, where are you going today?
Okay, I will go to Surabaya for 1 week, and then from Surabaya I will travel to Madiun, Pacitan, Tulungagung, and then I will go to Yogyakarta, and then I will fly back to Bali.
So you will be like not at home for a week, right?
No.
Oh no.
Okay, so yeah, you will be with Damian for 1 week, guys. So
I will be making videos as always, no worries. Bye, Sayang. See you at Friday. Bye, safe flights. Bye, Sayang. Sayang is on the other side of the window. Bye, Sayang. Safe flights. Take care. Bye. Alright, as Winnie went to Jakarta, actually to Surabaya and Yogyakarta, and I was dropped her off to the airport. I'm around Kuta, so I decided why not come to Beachwalk a little bit, stroll around. And that's my favorite part of Kuta, by the way, the Beachwalk mall. I'm gonna have some coffee and also gonna show you a little bit around Kuta today. Also, that's how the looks, the brand new wing of the Beachwalk. There are some hotels like Aloft and so many new shops and everything. It's actually busier currently. Overall, seems like quite many people enjoying their time in Beachwalk. This is the best mall in Bali so far. Even if you don't like the Kuta itself, you must like this mall. And that's the main entrance, main gate. We have walk around. This is like a mall park style, having only 2 floors, and somewhere here is the nice cafe I'm going here, and at the front is the main entrance, and of course beach, Kuta Beach and all the stuff. Also the same, show the vaccination certificate, otherwise they will not let you in. And this is the newest trend right now in Beachwalk in Bali, the Arabica coffee. And check this out, it's 3:30 and it's so busy over here. Starbucks little bit less popular, but Arabica is busy. Let's get inside, gonna have some coffee. Check this out, almost full house. Also interesting fact, if you're gonna look inside, they are mostly actually young Indonesian people inside. Not really foreigners, but local Indonesian people, especially the teenager and the younger generation. But also, you can find some foreigners as well. They have a really actually pretty nice coffee, definitely better than Starbucks, 100%. The price is actually similar. This cup costs you 50k, but are definitely very nice. I'm gonna show you now a little bit of the Poppies Lane. Alright, and that's the small entrance or the exit from the Beachwalk going to the, Poppies Lane 1, which is just behind me. I used to make so many videos during the 2020 and 2021 over here. I still remember when was nobody, totally nobody here. I only was selling actually here next to the mall some water and some snacks, and that's it. So at that time I thought the Kuta is gone forever, but seems like Kuta is recovering somehow. I know many of people don't like Kuta actually. Whenever I ask people which is your favorite area of Bali, definitely not Kuta. However, whenever I make a video in Kuta, actually I'm getting so much views, which is very interesting, surprising me all the time. So I want to show you Poppies Lane 1 and let me know in the comment section, is it Kuta good for you? Hello, thank you. So let's focus on Poppies Lane 1 today. Basically this is the very small alley, it's deep inside Kuta Legian. So from Kuta Beachwalk, from Kuta Beach side, you're going up to Legian Street, and you can find so many businesses like some shops, tattoo, massage options and stuff like this one. Very popular area for some people. As you can see, actually there are some people here and there, some happy tourists. Like literally this area was terribly quiet not so long ago, but now it seems like it's recovering somehow. So happy days. Special video for everyone who are interested about the Poppies Lane 1. Except the shops like this ones, actually mostly there are shops here, but you can find also some sports bars, time to time, and massage of course, massage bags and shops. Also this area was very popular long time ago. Currently, well, it's recovering, I'm gonna tell you. Looks like everything seems trying to be back. However, still kind of quiet actually. Thank you so much, thank you. Oh, look at this one. And this is the Grand Barong here. This restaurant here, this bar was always open. There was the only one place in this street what was open actually. And well, the tattoo is back. Sports bar with Australian flags are back, and there are some people inside. So again, I believe this area is popular for the Aussies. Well, Kuta and Legian are popular for the Australian people in general. There's nothing wrong with it, obviously. And well, that's how it looks, the situation on the streets today. Also some Indian people coming here, which is also not so bad. You know, you can find actually mostly bars here, but mostly with Australian flags, definitely. Actually, I just realized now sportswear, some tours and something here supposed to be, and of course many shops like this one. So that's the comprehensive review of Poppies Lane 1 now in middle of November 2022 around 4 p.m. weekdays. And also many guest houses with the surfers are like to staying here for very affordable prices. I'm gonna come back. Actually on the way back to Beachwalk there is different perspective of these places. Looks better, good prices. Yo, what's up, how you doing? And actually more people actually coming here, obviously, right? I'm so happy to see that, guys. Seriously, like I remember there was nothing here and nobody was here actually. I used to walk here, I used to drive here. Was like totally zero, totally nothing. But now it's definitely better. But you know, also I was experiencing everything in this part of Bali in the Poppies Lanes. So in the past 2-3 years was zero, totally empty, totally abandoned, forgotten place. Now it's slightly alive and some more people coming in and stuff like this. But like back 5-7 years ago, here was totally busy. There was the biggest action in Kuta was going on actually on these small streets here. It was crowded. I mean, like extremely crowded. Some of you must remember that for sure. However, still better like this one today than 2 years ago during the pandemic times. Back to Beachwalk, Johnny Rocket still exists here. And the Stones ice cream, some local sellers here. Here we go, this is the Foot Locker here for everyone who would like to buy some sneakers or Jordans. This is the only place here where you can buy really legit original stuff. And also Digimap, this is good place for Apple products. Also very expensive to compare to the other countries. So Bali is definitely not the place for buying the Apple products. Sephora and you know, stuff like this one. Also at the front somebody have a Kia here. Kia and Hyundai finally after many years are back to Indonesia. Happy to see that. Some more cars on the market than just Honda, Toyota and Suzuki, right? And then you can find some other shops like this one. This is obviously a new wing, what I'm trying to mention already a few times. Many shops from the old wing moved to the new wing, and this is the Bamboo Blonde, the Low Joel, Oakley, and all of this stuff. Also happy to see some people are shopping, because I don't remember when I was last time, but like a few weeks ago was nobody around actually. Still kind of quiet actually, but better than it was, that's for sure. And this is like some of the brands what you could find in the mall here in Beachwalk. That's the best mall in Bali so far anyway, so if you are looking to buy something or spend some time, you can find here. Also you can find some interesting restaurants and cafes around, and so many boutiques actually, you know. Even Yooo shop here if you are looking to buy stuff but you don't want to go to Canggu, you can find here. Even the North Face actually, you know, going to Mountbatten or something, you need some jacket or shoes, you can find this. Also Timberland is somewhere here. Alright guys, today a little bit shorter. When you went out, so I'm gonna vlog for another few days by myself, which is actually pretty normal actually anyways. This is the Beachwalk. There was the Aloft on the one side, on the other side is the Yellow. Very nice places here to stay for someone like who is coming to Bali for the first time and looking to stay in the action areas, which is Kuta obviously. Let me know one more time in the comment section, do you like Kuta? Would you like to come here? Have you been here? Let me know, this is Kuta for you or not, so I will also know if to vlog here in the future or maybe avoid this area and focus on different parts of Bali. Also, if you're watching this video till this moment, I believe you like this video. As always, big thumb up, make some comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. If you subscribe, actually you're gonna get notifications from YouTube as I'm making videos every single day, so you're never gonna miss the video. Sometimes some people texting me or writing the comment, Damian, I didn't see notification of your video. Maybe you don't subscribe, but if you subscribe, make sure you put also the ring, the bell on. That's turning on, man. all the notifications. Also, I forgot to mention this brand new thing on our channel. Currently, most of our videos you can watch in 20 different languages. Subtitles. Yes, we provide automatic generated subtitles on our videos. You can now watch it with the Polish subtitles, German subtitles, Dutch, Chinese, Japanese, Malaysian, Indonesian, Thai, Vietnamese, all of these popular languages, Arabic, all of this stuff. Many of you asked me for that. I organize it. Now you can do it. If you don't know how to switch on the subtitles, comment below. I will try to answer and explain to you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. See ya.